Today we're going to learn about excuse me. Yes, Billy. Can I use the bathroom? No, you cannot because whenever you go to the bathroom, something bad always happens. But I won't do anything bad this time, teacher. Still no. But I really need to go. No. Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna pee myself and... Okay, go, but you have 3 minutes. Yes. This seems a bit suspicious. I think I know he's up to something no good. As I was saying, in class, today we are going to learn about... He fell for that. Uh, Now it's time for my master plan. I'm going to set off the fire alarms. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Time to get out of here before I get caught. Uh-oh, the fire alarms are on. Quickly, everyone, we should get out of the class. We have to get out of here. Alright, teacher, we're out of here. Alright, since we're outside of the school now, let me take attendance. Okay. Troy, here. Molly, here. Billy, here. Zags, here. Looks like we got everyone. I think the alarm went off. I think we're good to go now. Ha 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 ha. Alright, now that the fire now that the fire alarm is off, now let's continue with what we were learning today. So, excuse me, can Billy Spunky Gal please come in my office now? I repeat, Billy Spunky Gal, get in my office now. You're in dead meat. Oh, crap. Billy, I saw footage of you of you in the hallway, and you turned on the fire alarm. Was this true that you turned on the fire alarm when there was no fire and when there was no planned fire drill? Yes, I did. Billy, why did you pull down the fire alarm? I wanted to do this as a prank. Ha 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 ha. This is not funny, Billy. You only pull down a fire alarm when there's a real emergency or if there's a fire drill planned. Ha 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 ha. I've had it. You're expelled from this school. Get out of my sight now. Fine, buttface. I heard that. Billy, I cannot believe you set off the fire alarm at school when there was no fire. And I also can't believe that you got expelled from your school as well. You know you could get in big trouble for pulling down the fire alarm when there is no fire, right, Billy? Am I talking, Billy? Am I talking, Billy? Yes. So, answer my question. Did you know that you could get in big trouble for pulling down the fire alarm? Yes. You know what? You're grounded for the rest of the year. Go to your room now. No, you butthead. I said go to your room now or else you're getting a spanking. Fine.